on demand. I try posting every 3 days. And this video is going to be a Halloween lookbook. So every year I try doing a Halloween lookbook. This one was inspired by sports because I recently participated in NASCAR for the 2nd season. And I love football, soccer, basketball, all a mixture of different sports. I grew up playing all sorts of different sports. And I kind of just want to share this passion with y'all and kind of create some cute, fun outfits that are cheap and affordable. So this video is about all different kind of sports. There are a total of 9 costumes, and they are all from popular to unpopular sports. Some of them y'all think as just like for fun sports, while some of them are actual like determination popular sports. So I'm super excited to show y'all the outfits. There are 9 total, as I said before. Don't forget to check them all out. Stay through the whole video, and at the end comment down what costumes you want to see next year or what your favorite costume was. So I hope y'all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe down in the description below, and let's get started. This costume represents equestrian. In equestrian, I decided to put a pink and brown striped collared shirt. It's actually a business attire shirt, so I thought it would look so well with this. And then I added it with a pair of black jeans and a pair of thigh-high brown boots. I had gotten all of these, it's hard to So for this first outfit, I put together a pair of green. So for this first equestrian outfit, I put together a pair of white jeans with thigh-high brown boots and a business attire shirt that revolved around the colors pink and brown and white. And I got the shirt from Boscov's, I got the jeans from Walmart, and I got the boots from, I think, the BX a long time ago. This second equestrian outfit is a blue long sleeve business attire collared shirt with some tan khakis and the same thigh-high brown boots. The thigh-high brown boots are from the BX. Sometime I got them from there. And then the collared business attire shirt I received from Boscov's. And the tan khakis I bought from JCPenney in the Dover Mall. outfit, I put together a blue ombre. So for the bowling outfit, I put together a blue ombre shirt, a pair of blue and white pants, and some denim bowling shoes. So for the shirt, I got it from the thrift store. The pants, I got it from Boscov's in the business section. And then the shoes, the bowling shoes, actually my bowling shoes, I got from the bowling store. I think it was in Okinawa, the base bowling store. But you could get them at your bowling store in the local bowling alley too. They have a catalog and you could just choose the shoes you want. For the first football outfit, I put together a purple jersey with a pair of white shorts, some white socks. No. For this first football outfit, I put together a purple jersey with a pair of white shorts and some purple socks, and then I paired it with a pair of my white sneakers. So I got the purple jersey from JCPenney's on clearance. I got the white shorts from JCPenney, and the purple socks I got from Party City, and I got the white shoes from Payless. Second football outfit, I put together a branded football shirt with some black spandex shorts, a pair of white sneakers, and a beaded necklace. So the beaded necklace is from New Orleans when I went there. I got the sneakers from Payless, the black spandex shorts as a hand-me-down from my mother, and I got the t-shirt as a gift, and I think we bought it at Forever 21 at the time. Outfit, I put together a Pit Crew t-shirt, I put some black leggings on, and then I had some Converse on. So I got the Converse from a friend as a hand-me-down. I got my leggings from the brand SO from Kohl's, and I got the Pit Crew t-shirt from when I worked NASCAR. derby costume, I put together a black tank top with a horseshoe on it and some fringe on the bottom, matched with a black leather skirt and a pair of roller skates and a pair of fishnet leggings. So I got the fishnet from Party City. I got the roller skates from a roller skating rink I used to work at. I bought a pair because I love to roller skate. I got the tank top from my sister as a present, and I got the skirt from eBay. For the second roller derby costume, I put together a black tank top, a pair of camo shorts, the black roller skates, and some black socks. So the tank top I got as a hand-me-down. The shorts I got at Kohl's. The socks I got at I got them at Walmart. The black socks I got at Walmart, and then the roller skates I got from the roller skating rink I used to work at because I loved to roller skate. So I hope y'all enjoyed this boo-tastic video of my Halloween sports-inspired lookbook. Comment down your favorite costume from this video, or if you have any costumes you would like to see put together, just let me know and I could definitely try doing it for you. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and I hope y'all had a great 2019 Halloween!